Welcome to Health and Wellness for You and Your. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super mega omelet, the perfect omelet. I'm going to include bell peppers, spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, onions. We're also going to make hash browns and freshly squeezed orange juice. Let's get cooking. The first thing we're going to do is slice and dice our baby Bella mushrooms. And just like my other food educational tutorial, baking and cooking videos, I will be speeding up the video at times. Here's an egg omelet fun fact. Egg omelets have historical roots. Omelets have been enjoyed worldwide for centuries and are part of many cultural cuisines, each with unique ingredient variations. I'm going to use cooking scissors to cut up the spinach into more manageable bite-sized pieces for the omelet. What childhood memory comes to mind when you think of enjoying egg omelets with your family? Did your family have a special recipe or secret ingredient for making the perfect omelet? Leave a comment, share a story, and let me know. I greatly appreciate it. Next, let's cut up our little bitty potatoes, or some say potatoes, for our hash browns. Omelets are quick and easy. Omelets are quick to prepare, making them perfect for any meal of the day, from breakfast to dinner. A person can say, I definitely love breakfast for dinner. It doesn't matter if it's omelets, French toast, pancakes. Breakfast is the best, and I enjoy it at any time during the day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I even termed it Brenner. That's Brinner, Brenner. Breakfast and dinner. Do you and or your family love to have breakfast during dinner? If so, what is your family's favorite breakfast to eat during Brenner time? Thanks for commenting and sharing your stories. Making omelets leaves plenty of room for creative expression. Making omelets allows for culinary creativity. You can experiment with different vegetable combinations and cheeses to suit your taste. I'm going to add olive oil to our frying pan so we can cook our hash browns. Can you share a time when you experimented with unusual ingredients in an omelet and it surprisingly worked out well? What's the most adventurous omelet creation you've ever attempted? And would you make it again? Leave a comment and let me know. After adding our potatoes, we're going to add our red onions. Now our variety of red, orange, and yellow bell peppers. Even though I'm using a non-stick pan, from time to time I like to add a little more oil or water. In this case, I'm adding a little bit of water. I'm going to add a little black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm also going to add a bit of garlic. I'm adding a little bit of more water just to make sure our hash browns don't stick to the bottom of the pan. It's time to get our omelet ready. Let's finish cracking those eggs. One down, two more to go. This is a 3 egg omelet. Omelets are very economical. Eggs are relatively inexpensive and versatile, making omelets a budget friendly meal choice. How do you customize your omelets to make them healthier or more nutritious? What tips do you have for making omelets that fit specific dietary preferences like vegetarian or keto? Leave your comment and let me know. Let's add some pepper and some salt, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, and let's mix it all up. What are your must have veggies when making an omelet and why? Do you prefer mild or bold cheeses in your omelets? And which one is your absolute favorite? I appreciate you leaving a comment for our community. Love you. Thank you. I love tomatoes, so I'm going to add tomatoes to my omelet. Here are a few of my omelet health benefits and interesting fun facts. It's time for Trey's omelet loaded with veggies and cheese, health benefits, and interesting fun facts. Here are some reasons why egg omelets loaded with veggies and cheese are great to include in your diet. 1. Egg omelets are high in protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. 2. Nutrient dense. Eggs contain various vitamins and minerals such as vitamins B12, vitamin D, and selenium, which are important for overall health. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Veggies like bell peppers and tomatoes are rich in antioxidants such as vitamins C and lycopene, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. 4. Supports weight management. Protein and fiber from vegetables can help you feel full longer, potentially aiding in weight management. Number five, boosts immune function. Garlic and onions are known for their immune boosting properties due to compounds like allicin and quercetin. Six, heart health. The combination of eggs in moderation and vegetables provides nutrients like folate and potassium that support heart health. Seven, promotes eye health. Bell peppers and tomatoes contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. 8. Improves digestive health. Fiber from vegetables supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Versatility. Omelets can be customized with a wide range of vegetables, allowing you to easily incorporate different nutrients into your diet. And lastly, satiety and energy. A well balanced omelet provides sustained energy throughout the day, making it a satisfying meal choice. Let's get back to whipping up this super mega omelet. I'm going to preheat the oven for our toast and to broil the top portion of our omelet. If you don't have a toaster, a broiler works just perfectly. It's time to place our bread in the boiler and broil it on both sides for about a minute and 15 seconds, both sides. It's time to use our second skillet for our super mega omelet. And this time we're going to be cooking with butter. Don't you just love that sizzle, sizzle, sizzle? Because you know it's a precursor to deliciousness. Another egg omelet fun fact: preparing egg omelets are a culinary tradition. Many famous chefs and culinary experts have their own signature omelet recipes, adding to the dish's popularity and versatility. Now, that's an interesting fun fact. I might as well add my own super mega omelet recipe to my culinary recipes list. Look at all that delicious, healthy goodness and protein. Notice this omelet is meatless. Eggs, when sourced responsibly, are a sustainable protein option compared to some meat sources, contributing to environmental conservation efforts. Omelets with veggies and cheese are often perceived as a healthy choice due to their nutrient density and balanced macronutrient profile. Let's not forget to flip the toast. Okay, the bottom of our omelet will continue to cook because the skillet is hot, but now we're going to put the skillet into the broiler to start cooking the top of the omelet. I'm cooking with a gas stove. The key here is to preheat the skillet at a 5, pour your egg mixture on, spread it out, and then immediately put it into the broiler. And the second key is to keep an eye on it. Do not take your eye off of it. Do not go off and do something else while it's in there. Just keep your eye on it. It doesn't take long, just a few minutes to cook the top, and then we can add the cheese. I really would love to know if you try my super mega omelet method here. And if you do, make sure you leave me a comment. I would love to know your results. Appreciate your comments. For those on a low carb diet, omelets are a filling and satisfying meal without the added carbohydrates. Omelets can be made into wraps or sandwiches for a convenient and portable meal option. Omelets are popular worldwide. Variations of egg based dishes similar to omelets exist globally, such as the Spanish tortilla or the Italian fritta. Incorporating egg omelets with a variety of vegetables and cheese into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your nutrition and enjoy a satisfying meal. Let's cut our oranges in half and start juicing. I have to admit, ever since I tried freshly squeezed orange juice from oranges and not buying the orange juice in a container from the grocery store, I've been addicted ever since. It's the sweetest, most delicious juice that I've ever tasted besides pineapple juice. So if you get a chance, make sure you taste freshly squeezed orange juice and you'll simply love it, just like I do. Have you ever made or tasted freshly squeezed orange juice similar to the way I am making it now, meaning not orange juice from a store bought container? If so, was it simply the best orange juice you've ever tasted? You couldn't tell the difference, or you didn't like it? Please leave a comment and let me know if you liked it or not. And there you have it. Now that's how you make a super mega omelet. We also have butter toast and hash browns and freshly squeezed orange juice and water on the side. Let's taste it and see how it tastes. Perfect. 2 thumbs up. Just the way I like it. That's the best. Thank you once again for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit your notifications so you get my future videos directly to your cell phone and or computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.